All right, quick question before we start. If someone requests a quote, sends you a DM, or calls while you're on an install, do they get handled immediately or later? That delay is where flooring jobs get lost. So I built a demo marine flooring company called Deck Dynasty to show you the exact system that fixes that problem. This is in theory, and it's not a slideshow. Everything you're about to see is a working setup designed to capture leads, follow up automatically, and book install calls without you chasing anyone. Let's start at the top, the ad. Instead of asking people to get a quote, this ad offers a free custom deck mockup. Boat owners hate guessing. They don't want estimates. They want to see what it'll look like first. That's why this ad attracts serious buyers instead of price shoppers. This alone increases lead quality. When they click on the ad, they land here. And this is a landing page, right? Notice how simple it is. One photo, no measuring, no commitment. The page removes friction and does one job only, turns curiosity into a real lead, right? This is built for speed, not convincing. They click on the button here, and I'm going to show you this from the boat owner's perspective, right? So they'll enter their name. My name's already there. My email address is there. Let me throw in another phone number in there. Boat make and model. Let's go with the 2006 Maxis 2900 SC. Boat location, let's say it's in Miami. And I'm going to upload a photo. Let's go with this one here. Choose color. And then I want this the next 2 weeks. I'm going to hit the button here, get my free deck mockup. And that's it. So that's where most businesses stop, but this is where the system actually starts. So after submitting, the lead lands here, right? Instead of waiting on you, the system immediately pushes them to book a priority install call, not an install date, a short confirmation call that secures their place in line. No chasing, no follow-ups needed from you. The lead moves themselves forward. And this is how you control the schedule. And it also tells you what happens next. Right, one thing that most businesses don't have is coverage, right? This chat widget here lives here on this thank you page, but it's not limited to this page. This same AI can be installed on your website, Instagram DMs, and Facebook messages, anywhere customer messages you, right? So I can type in a simple message here and ask a question, right? How long does install usually take? This answers questions instantly, explains the process, collects photos, and nudges people toward booking. And there's also voice AI, right? If someone calls your business when you're off the clock, on a job, or can't answer, the voice AI picks up. It sounds human, answers common questions, captures their info, and routes them into the same follow-up and booking system. So whether someone fills out a form, sends a DM, chats on your site, or calls you after hours, they get handled immediately. Now let me show you what happens after someone submits the form, because this is where most flooring businesses lose money. As soon as the lead requests a mockup, they get a confirmation email right here, letting them know we received it and their mockup is being created. This sets expectations and instantly builds trust. If they don't book their priority install call right away, the system follow-ups automatically. They also get text messages because texts get read. The messages remind them their mockup is coming and nudge them to book the call that secures their install window. No awkward chasing, no forgetting, no wondering if you should follow up. This is why leads don't fall through the cracks. The system does the follow-up for you. Whether someone books immediately or waits a few days, every lead is worked automatically until they take action or disqualify themselves. Another way no lead falls through the cracks is through our pipelines, right? At a glance, you can see exactly where every lead is, right? They requested a mockup, book the priority install call, right? The job has been scheduled, the job is complete. As leads take action, they move automatically through these steps. As you can see here, right? If someone stops responding, the system follow-ups automatically until they either book or disqualify themselves. This replaces sticky notes, memory, and chasing. I built this entire setup for Deck Dynasty as a demo, but the real point is this. I can install this exact system into your marine flooring business. Ads, landing pages, chat AI, voice AI, DM handling, follow-up, booking, pipeline, all done for you, customized for your business. If you want to see how this would work specifically for your business, book a quick demo below. I'll walk you through it. answer questions, and show you what this would look like in your business. Click below and let's take a look. This isn't about more leads. It's about never missing the ones you already paid for.